Heading into Kroger. They have their young birds marked now. Just look for those yellow signs. That's where they're hiding the clearance. Such a good deal. And I have a coupon for $1 off one. Just gonna get one. Down in the freezer section. And the bakery discount section. Wow. Look at all this bread. The produce section is packed too. Wow. Gonna grab those. All the bread marked down. Oh my goodness, it is so cold out there. I got my stuff though. I think the total was 101, and then with all my coupons and stuff, we're down to 84. Got some stuff for my mother-in-law. All in all, really good day. Now just to go home and unload the car.